Have you noticed that climbing stairs feels harder than it used to? Do your legs tire more quickly during simple daily activities? Or do you sometimes feel less steady on your feet? If so, you're not alone. Many adults over the age of 60 notice these changes. But according to the source script, weak legs aren't simply an unavoidable part of aging. They may be linked to changes in muscle strength, circulation, nerve function, and nutrition, all of which can affect your ability to stay active and independent. The encouraging news is that the foods you eat every day can play an important role in supporting healthy muscles, improving balance, and maintaining mobility as you get older. Choosing nutrient-rich foods that provide high-quality protein, essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats may help your body support muscle function and overall leg strength when combined with regular physical activity and healthy lifestyle habits. In today's video, we'll reveal 7 powerful foods featured in the source script that may help support stronger legs, better balance, and greater confidence in your daily routine. We'll also share practical tips to help you get the most from these foods and explain why they're considered beneficial for healthy aging. Be sure to watch until the end, because the final food, along with several bonus lifestyle recommendations, could make a meaningful difference in your long-term mobility and overall well-being. This video is for educational purposes only and is based on the information provided in the source script. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Now, let's begin with food number 1. According to the research, beef liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods adults over 60 can include in a balanced diet because it provides high-quality protein along with a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals that support muscle function, nerve health, and energy production. As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes increasingly important, and proper nutrition plays a key role in staying active and independent. The highlights that beef liver is especially rich in vitamin B12, iron, vitamin A, folate, and several B vitamins, all of which help the body produce healthy red blood cells and deliver oxygen to working muscles. This steady oxygen supply is essential for supporting endurance, reducing fatigue, and helping muscles perform everyday tasks such as walking, climbing stairs, and standing up from a chair. The research also explains that many older adults experience muscle weakness and low energy because they do not consume enough of these important nutrients. Including nutrient-dense foods like beef liver as part of a healthy, balanced diet. However, it emphasizes that beef liver should be enjoyed in moderation rather than every day because it contains very high levels of certain nutrients, particularly vitamin A. Eating a variety of protein sources, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains remains the best approach to supporting overall health and healthy aging. When combined with regular physical activity and other healthy lifestyle habits, good nutrition can help maintain strength and mobility after 60. Now that you understand why beef liver earns the number 1 position in the source script, let's move on to food number 2, beetroot. A colorful vegetable recognized for its potential role in supporting healthy blood flow and circulation, both of which are essential for strong, active legs. Now let's continue with food number 3, oysters. According to the source script, oysters are packed with important minerals, especially zinc, which supports muscle repair, immune function, and healthy wound healing. The script explains that zinc also plays a role in maintaining strength and helping the body recover after physical activity. For older adults who don't regularly eat seafood, ensuring adequate zinc intake can be an important part of a balanced diet. Next is food number 4, broccoli. The source highlights broccoli because it provides vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and antioxidants that help support healthy muscles and overall wellness. These nutrients work together to protect cells from everyday stress while supporting bone health and normal muscle function. Broccoli is also easy to include in meals, whether steamed, roasted, or added to soups and salads. Moving on to food number 5, sweet potatoes. According to the research, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates for steady energy, along with potassium, vitamin A, and fiber. Potassium helps support normal muscle function, while the slow-release carbohydrates provide lasting energy for walking, climbing stairs, and other daily activities. Together, these foods offer a combination of nutrients that help support strength, movement, and independence as we grow older. Next, we'll look at the final 2 foods featured in the source script and finish with practical tips to help you get the most from your diet. Let's finish with the final 2 foods from the source script. Food number 6 is black beans. According to the script, black beans provide plant-based protein, fiber, magnesium, potassium, and iron that help support healthy muscles and provide steady energy throughout the day. Their combination of protein and complex carbohydrates may also help maintain stable energy levels, making everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, and household chores feel easier. They're also an easy addition to soups, salads, or healthy side dishes. Food number 7 is mushrooms. The highlighted mushrooms is very useful because they naturally contain important nutrients, including B vitamins, antioxidants, and in some varieties, vitamin D. These nutrients help support normal muscle function, healthy nerves, immune health, and overall well-being. Mushrooms are also low in calories and can easily be added to omelets, stir-fries, soups, or roasted vegetable dishes. The most important takeaway from today's video is that stronger legs after 60 don't depend on a single superfood. According to the source script, building a balanced eating pattern with nutrient-rich foods, staying physically active, and supporting your body with healthy daily habits can help maintain strength and independence as you age. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments which of these 7 foods you already eat regularly and which one you'd like to add to your diet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to 36 Health, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health education designed especially for adults over 60.